Nice one. Ghana Music Awards.
TGMA.
Ghana Music Awards. Nyamwa last week, you know, the na year pepe nyina ne the na pese ehunu nyina no ne nyina siye the winners no you be na overview ne nyina the aftermath of Ghana Music Awards e pa na edi hu komo kakra you na ya free ya enu portfolio ne Zega na that asanto so I better know the area pro. Timinia, you know more the winners of Ghana Music Awards. Yeah, ballroom dia na me chia eye Dr. Kokuoti. Ono na papa nam so. Ama fidie abeba abepie kumasi kro yoma metimetena so bi. Kemesa Stabilo Trees official wa ni nyina. Achede so the mapie achede wo e social media na so antenta na so he is out with new one. Emma, go and check it out. Achede music. Why say Bora TGMA2024? This how it goes. What's the full list of winners? They are calling Stonebwoy. What's the artist of the year?
Me better start fresh here.
Okay.
Start fresh here.
Most popular song of the year.
Most popular song of the year.
Most popular song of the year. No, and you know how to say.
Year under review.
Or say baby, and was all over. Echo baby, and no come Terminator by Kim Promise.
Terminator by
Abna call you later. Most popular song no omo edemano.
Okay.
Best new artist.
Best new artist. Okay.
Ken Paluta.
Ken Paluta.
Best new artist. Sasuna record of the year.
Record of the year. Okay.
Stonebwoy featuring Angelina Kujo.
Okay.
This Stonebwoy Safaway Edeka come. Album of the year.
Album of the year.
Sa Stonebwoy on
the
that
Fifth
night.
Dimension.
Fifth Dimension. Stonebwoy na album of the year.
Okay.
Best hip hop artist. Black Sherif also anyway that category no.
Okay.
Reggae dancehall artist Stonebwoy sa eka on that night. Best rapper performance Strongman Benner. Songwriter of the year. Stonebwoy with melodies. I don't know. Okay. Kwame Eugene.
Open.
See na Kwame Eugene.
Open.
On say Sanyo no minimoni Angelina Kujo nyumo no say yangona fo
Edi
me ham ho abrabo num sa
Manozi.
Best Manozi.
Sana no mo carry yes.
Best high life artist. Best high life artist. Abra Stonebwoy win a songwriter of the year. Kwame Eugene, minu e say Kwame Eugene, I win a best high life artist of the year. Kwame Eugene no. Best gospel artist. Ekoma Nasi. Okay. Best African artist. So koma Davido.
Okay.
Best high life song. So koma Abronoma by Amrado Benner.
Okay.
Best Afropop artist. Best Afropop artist. So koma Ken Promise.
Okay.
Sasuna producer of the year. Ekoma Mog MOG.
Okay.
Sakodier
producer no. Okay.
Lifetime Achievement Award.
Ehona na me mani work akra.
Okay.
Lifetime Achievement Award.
Say we no enya nasem omo matima kuta eye adwuma no a ye no fiti emersant besi ne omo habi eno koma amache abrante dede
legendary
amache dede sa eye category no. Best music video. Cryptocurrency by Kwame Eugene.
Okay.
Rotimi.
Yeah, Rotimi.
Okay,
that's Rotimi. Yes.
Best reggae dancehall song. Efie Kuma Love by Kofi Kinata.
Okay.
Sa category Kofi Kinata pa nana ne Godfather. Samino Panacho pa no ani nwia Stonebwoy cho say wasrom award we die. Omba obiem sa that ko tom fama no. Utim so mutie dia ma say best Afrobeat song. Good sing by Olive the Boy. Good sing. Yeah. Good. Oh sanum ne best Afropop song. Terminator Sepia. Na ye be din komo because Terminator binim say studio work nko na performance work nko dia. That be manya ni pacho.
Adentia.
Manya boys no ko be na boys no nam no manya no mayo dem pacho ba. Best international collaboration. best international collaboration and also come Stonebwoy featuring Angelina Kujo Minya Waisa Kansa di no wa unim no fa Manozi best collaboration best collaboration Kidi featuring Stonebwoy
and once remember best collaboration once remember Gidi
say we are a bit rem sir we are a bit rem gakra leko
na ko fa somebody
leko okay
hip hop song of the year come out time
Sarkodie okay
hip life song of the year so come out Kim Paluta featuring Kwame Eugene ya hit
it
now main one okay best female vocal performance
okay
and then
Quindalen with Hold My Hands
by who no Quindalen no okay
Quindalen
okay male vocal performance Kofi Kakari team Eternity
okay
gospel song of the year Asida by
Nasi
unsung artist of the year Kwasi Amauga
yes
and finally
artist of the year
the talk of the town artist of the year come on Stonebwoy Benetton
yes it's you know maminya your Mickey transena me musa about best collaboration of the year no and some about home assemble about best collaboration of the year no
that's it
Mr. Drew
look on from Pong someone who dia
and
Alexander there be ada brother and to dem TGMA no what's Stonebwoy any kid no bro Stonebwoy a big artist and he say or release song wa ya na space no so so obi e kopa de kora Stonebwoy aye enti on kid ni de e den anyum no untimi fa mufti ni Mr. Juo because of say Mufti was from nowhere obi anim nti yen fa award no man no bro
but once criteria ni man na say you know Mr. Tina it doesn't matter say artist or bigger na so onye the nyom no blow you dia and na the here say moye two or more say blowing kwa dia
a collaboration
eti Mr. Drew mi ana no ana
also mi ana no na ma say that Kwame Eugene so Kwame Eugene to bobo park so
but say
industry no
I have blood you know
what are you talking about
top nations obe obo ma dwama no
because
said ye je o so ni ade no
oh yes
yes na change na
ye ni e ko pa che we show we can want e be wi ase che no senior man say onyo ye force no de show
bagala so nsema sisi
papa no pa de che we de ko fa se kwa engine da e by I say by force you hana machire de tu munchire
but one say convention
but ye ko we nya say by force komo bi na course mo no de che kwa mi
moto hu ni say asem na kwa mi dim be kan ohun ni say no deserve bibi ni amfa manana
sa no person kire say afi no on say eture bi on hu nim say wo ye adwuma
na so nya ba ko
da bi so ni say wo ye adwuma kwa mi ujin
come on no di no I think say you also nya time kakra na ewem no come on no di ni na say artist of the year
boy omo di omo ekọ ni nchenya Kim Promise Kim Promise wa terminator fine he was doing well but enye se wa terminator ni ntina yemfa de no koma no
but so terminate enti yenya one song a ahetiama obi agina so age artist of the year na se bibi da
bebrebe
enti se
but me say as ko say na times omo na no compete na juma ni se de o se Stonebwoy de we no obi a ni twem se Stonebwoy ya juma ehon ni asem no ehon ni asem say artist we ase nyina obi ahwe bi
but no kranya mianim no mu mienu nyina deserve
obi a deserve obi
to mu mienu nyina me say senkedi mo
Kim Promise akame me okay because no so ye adwuma
okay
obi a ye adwuma
but yenya
akufado uba obi a international airport ono kwa yesi yempe no yetu no edin o yeteninti uba be international airport eme the whole Ghana asanteman a oba be si poultry farm Dako farms baby ankoko no atu na light bobo no obe be si etuma be si asade asante ne kase din atus no waja onko kase de enkraman baby awo fa ko wo ablo chire no ono wo na we anya mama no ye esu tabna tiri no kwa yen wie no kura na wo ba wo sa oto so wo de ama wo be so onfa yen restaurant ena papa fie no ma ya de eke de ma ya be mani ye sa na wo de yan ka hwe ka she ko duru tambas tenyame ebe fo wabusu ni na mom
the youth are angry walk around on a more compare commercial. We ain't even international airport. I must be still ain't maybe so. None more be assessing. Let's be honest. This video was sent by a concerned citizen. My voice under it. The first voice was the concerned citizen who sent the video to me. I decided to prolong the video to share my thoughts. You get it? What the man is saying, if it is true, then it's very, very, very poor. Kumasi too deserve better things. Kumasi deserve better things. At least, Kumasi is not a bad city. Per history, Kumasi is not a bad city. So, Ghana too, at times, you for value Kumasi. Let the people know say Kumasi to be city. Not Kumasi alone. Takrady dams, Tamale dams. Yama hosusu be in Accra because we be akoya Accra. The pressure na kujina Accra. Do you get it? NBA be territories in region be a city be a. Do you get it? Region be a bako at least. Activation city be a na region be a. Do you get it? Jack, I don't know my pressure na work because in so a 20 uniform on the pressure. I want you choke to be any question in partner crown or what the kills are cosio. And I'm say baby, a gentleman and no ash. Bro, yeah, but Omonim say, Sadu a bit mess. And I'm not telling you, Mushi. Yeah, because I know I'm a boy. Yeah, pa, but. You get it? You say baby out and you safe, but you will catch see because I want to about when you say, brother man, it just told me she and you finish you on your present finish. I will finish. Will be the okra. What's saying? The ceremony. I'm on your most more times. You corona say and you corona and I young because we are the poor ones at the end of the day we are going to suffer. Where is she? Minister be anyone there, so Minister be anyone there. Kiosio, Minister be anyone but him. A Timon Fuya, any be a bro of Fuyana, a Kiosi more, it's a demi. Man, Minister about to obey your own this, obey your own people, buy your cocotti, have a contact, man. Use your number 9, use your agent. This time don't come and play, man. Phenomenon media grass what could you do very long. I'm not for any other brother man. But to abandon Kufi. Let's live life. There's more to life than say be about to Oko pet Juma Mobi Papa. Our baby has on any man enjoy a butcher Moko Unkobi. You know to go some. I will cheer we up for Koya Mumma Guabuche. You know to go some, me we there, with the sofa. Now, I could be a long one, big man. It's a compound, we feel good. Young Twaban said the Wadron shall go and vote, go home. Said the Madron shall go and vote, I'll go home. At every day, the ever born is why we know. We will give him the support. Because Jack, either be a mempen, this either be a mempen, babies, we are Twaban, no more. Or what the kill it. Woman at Twaban, someone for the Twaban. Jenny said your situation, she were brought walk on a Twaba. Me more beyond that out. Don't be fooled by anybody. Why? I won't say what you want to come to what. Quambe now first with you. Oh, come here, my Quambe soon now first with your baby. More be my 50 cities. That Jimmy no. But to a bank was here, baby. I go to a buy one got him say, I don't need who be save life, who be save one quan. Why I want to chill while to him out to Quasi Abanibia. I want to chill. What feels well, wow, bro. Hey, so to go with compare with Papa. I don't enjoy what things enjoyment to enjoy now. The hardship, or as we say, Amanka, near the police, the soldier, intimidate you. Oh, Jack, anti robbers, bro. Said I'm now afraid to say, you know, it's an house. You already buy him, the ask myself about him, and say, the only know that the infant by him, big man. And the woman, man, the horseman who's a cash. And that's to the Allah, the old culture, and I said, no, no, Kurenim, the Nipanakan, no crow, Munya Makuruno. What do person so called bear 27 years, bear 20 years? Wow, yeah, and people to me for says because I do in my arm and person. But what is here dying? West State. Yeah, even know you. Ye be a me. Ye be a me. A concerned citizen reporting live. I'm out.